Hi, my name is Dan, and I'm from the Uno team. Today, we're going to talk about using resources in C Sharp Markup. Now, to start, what I've done is I've created this app icons class, and we have some paths here that we can use for our icons. So we have a dark icon and a light icon, and we're giving it this nice strongly typed context that we can use in our C Sharp markup within our code base. And so what I've done here is I've called this a moon icon for our dark and a sun icon for the light. And so all we have to do now is I'm just going to say that this is a static resource and we're going to create this as a geometry resource. Okay. And so that will return back just a regular geometry resource. Now, if we wanted to do a theme resource, we could also do that. And so what we could do is we could come in here, we could say static read only and the same resource geometry type. And then we could just say our icon, and then we could go theme resource, create geometry. And then what we can do here is we can just say, my icon. Yeah, we can give it the light icon and the dark icon. And then that can also change using the theme resource as well. So we can do this however we want to do it. So we'll go ahead now and add this to our resource dictionary. So to do that, we're going to come up here and off of our page, we'll go to resources. And then we're going to have a resource builder. And we'll add some resources now. So if I say I want to add the app icons light, and I want to add the app icons dark, I want to add the app uh, icons this icon. Okay, and so it's very, very simple for me to use this nice strongly typed context where I have just my icons defined in this static class with a static property that can be reused throughout my application. And with the geometry object in particular, we really do need to have this string to geometry type conversion happening from the resource because it has to be parented new each time. So that will take care of that. Other types, such as color, will proactively convert from a string, like if you give it a hex string, it will be converted over to a color type right away. So now let's go in here and let's add a new path icon. So we'll take our new path icon. And we have our data. And then what we need here is we're going to say, well, let's say we want to go to our static resource. And then what we could do, if we want to really, really be verbose about this, is we could say, okay, I want the light, and then I've got the key, and we could do it like this here. So we have our iDependency property builder with our static resource and our app icon light key. But because we took the time to go ahead and make this a little bit easier where we have this strongly typed syntax with the resource, we can actually simplify all of this, and we can just come in here and we can go app icons dot light, and that automatically now knows that this is a static resource and will apply it correctly. But if I wanted to change it to just the icon, which if you remember, we set as a theme resource, then that will automatically change with our theme as well. So we can do that either way using the resources that we've added custom to our resource dictionary up here. And it all stays nice and strongly typed throughout the entire process. So now let's go ahead and just run this. Okay. And so now that we've run it, now we can see that we have our little sun icon because we're in the light theme here. And that is using resources in C Markup. See you next time.